These are the directions on how to replace the trackpad on a Lenovo Yoga Gen 5 laptop. We're going to start off by removing the back cover. Sometimes the screws come out, and make sure that you put them in the slots, in the right slots, so that way when we put it all back together again, this tray should be empty. When you hear the clicking, that means that the screw is already loose. I always take it apart on this corner, pushing my thumbs down, lifting up. Here you go. Anytime we work on a computer to make any disconnections or replacing parts, we always have to remove the battery source. For right now, this is the battery. I'm going to lift up on this ribbon and pull back towards you. Sometimes you have to jiggle it and it comes out. Okay? And for us, the trackpad is located underneath the battery. So for us, this time we do need to take out the battery. And the battery has 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and they have a white triangle. Whenever you put them back, that's where they go. If they don't have a white triangle, that means it is for the screw that goes on from the lid. Lift it up. Here's our trackpad. We're going to remove this ribbon. The ribbon, we're going to disconnect it from the trackpad. Lift up. And it's a little sticky, so we need to pull it carefully up. I'm just going to tape this back so it's out of my way. And this one has 2 screws, 1, 2, and 2 brackets. Lift up. And to replace it, we're gonna lift up this tape carefully here, and then once you have a hold, you're going to lift it up and back. So here is the trackpad, and now let's put the new one back in, and you're going to put it in, slide it in, drop it, and then wiggle it so it's flat. Put the bracket in, the bracket in. Now we'll put the screws in. Oh, okay, let me take that back down. I'm going to remove this, my tape. Connect the ribbon. This one goes underneath the silver pieces on the edge. Close the latch, and the latch covers that little line. Now I'm back at the battery. Goes on the hinges that it has, well, latches here. And remember, the battery goes back wherever there's the white triangle. connect the battery back. And make sure that this power source button, that the power button is all the way down. Take a quick look, make sure everything's in place. And let's snap it back up. And now we'll see if there's any kinds of gaps. There you go. And here's our old trackpad, and all the parts are inside the laptop. Thank you. Have a great day.